STANLEY Healthcare offers two wearable tag options, a 1-year supervised tag and a 3-year non-supervised tag. In this brief demo of the WanderGuard Blue wearable tag, the tag and band options and the application and removal of the tag from a resident will be explained. Both tags are IP67 rated, meaning they are dust and water resistant in up to 3 feet of water. Both cut-resistant and non-cut resistant bands are available for the tags and are offered in 2 different lengths. The back of the band displays a marking indicating the type of band. In this case, a long cut-resistant band for side 2 is displayed. The back of the tag displays the type of tag. In this case, a 3-year non-supervised tag is shown. You will notice that the non-cut resistant bands are a little bit more pliable. The tag is delivered in the open position with the band attached to it. Both the tag and band can be reused with a different resident after proper cleaning. If your resident requires a different band, contact your facility's maintenance department to make the appropriate change. When applying the wearable tag to a resident, ensure you have a locking clip available. The tabs on the side of the locking clip should be in the open position. If the tabs are not in the open position, use the removal tool to open them. If you need to reposition the metal pins for a more secure fit, remove them from the band, reinsert in the appropriate position, and press firmly into place. Place the band around the resident's wrist with the metal pins facing up. Align the holes on the band with the metal pins, leaving a small amount of space between the band and the resident's wrist. Press the band firmly into place. Align the holes at the end of the band with the pin. Slide the band closer over the pin and press firmly into place. To lock the band in place, position the large opening on the back of the locking clip on top of the pins. Slide into position and press both tabs on the locking clip to lock in place. To remove the wearable tag from the resident, ensure you have the removal tool available. Align the removal tool above the locking clip and squeeze the removal tool until it snaps into the locking clip. Slide the locking clip to the side and it will detach from the band. Release the removal tool to get the locking clip out of it. STANLEY Healthcare does not recommend reusing the locking clips more than twice. Slide the band closer off the pin and lift the strap up, releasing the connection to all pins.